Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.dad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very easy hack to recreate a lower back hyperextension machine using pieces of equipment that you might already own at your home gym. Now, this is something I shared over on my Instagram account and people loved it over there. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you check me out over there. My username is dadshredded. I'll leave it right here on the screen where I share a bunch of hacks over there that are very simple to set up, just like the one I'm going to show you here. So you're going to need 4 pieces of equipment for this. You're going to need a spotter arm, a sandbag, a weight bench, and then a weight rack, and that's all there's to it. You'll be able to set this up in less than a minute. So for step 1, make sure you have your weight bench right in between your weight rack. I'm going to do that now. So you're going to keep the bench flat in between the uprights, and then the second step is going to be to place a sandbag right on top of your bench. Throw it right on top of the bench. Now what this is going to do is it's going to elevate your body so that you have more room whenever you're going down for the hyperextension. Your upper body is going to be hanging off the bench, and then you're going to be able to extend it up and extend it down. So make sure you have enough height here to compensate for your upper torso area. Step number 3 is going to be to use a spotter arm on either side, either upright, and that's going to basically hold your legs up in place when you're going face down and over the edge of the bench here. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you insert it into the rack upside down with the flat side upside down, so that way your legs are hitting that flat side. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it into one of these upside down, and then we got the whole setup. Here's a look at the whole setup. You got a bench, you got a sandbag, and a spotter arm. That's all there's to it. Now make sure you put the spotter arm upside down so that you have a smooth flat surface on this side. And also, if you want to, you can insert a pin there to make it more stable. I just use it the way it is and it works just fine. So that's all there's to it. Very simple setup for this very effective hack, and it's going to save you from having to buy another piece of equipment that's going to take a lot more room in your home gym. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for more home gym hacks just like this one. Dad Shredded is my username. You can see it down there in the screen. And for more home gym equipment reviews and ideas, make sure you also visit my website, shreddeddad.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.